Hello students of Real Academy. So we are back again this year with Diwali Science Marathon 2023. Now you might be aware about this competition. It is an annual competition that we hold every year for all our students at Real Academy. So in this particular competition, we ask our students to build a working model or just a presentation for any particular topic of their choice from the science field, that is physics, chemistry, biology, or even if you have to prepare something in geology, which is a part of geography, or any other field of science. You prepare a working model or a stationary model based on what your project is. If it is a working model, we'll call it an experiment, and if it is just a stationary project, it's a simple presentation which you will be presenting through your particular model. After your presentation is done, you need to prepare thoroughly about that topic, because when we are finished with all the models, you need to present your model in front of a panel of judges in an exhibition that we are going to hold at your particular branch. So once your projects are done, you have till 19th November, that is the deadline this year, for completing all the projects. So when you complete the projects, after 19th November, we will be holding these exhibitions at your branches. Make sure you are thoroughly prepared about your topic, because the judges are even going to ask you questions regarding your project. And if you are able to answer them correctly, and if you are able to present your model very well, there will be branch-wise winners that we will be selecting. So this competition is going to be held at each and every branch of Real Academy, and we will be selecting a few winners in every exhibition that we hold. Okay, and all the winners from all the branches, they will get a chance to go to an exciting location this year as well. So if you are not aware, last year and last to last year, these are the 2 years when we held this particular competition. And in 2021, our students visited Nehru Science Center. You can see the few glimpses we have from that particular activity. And also they visited Nehru Planetarium, which was a very fun day for all the students, all the winners who won that particular competition. And last year, we went to the Tech Fest, the annual Tech Fest of IIT Bombay. It is a very prestigious event. So in a way, we stepped up. It was an even bigger venue for our students, all the winners who won last year. Okay, so even this year we have selected a venue, and it is a very exciting location. I'm assuring you, all the winners from all the branches who win in these exhibitions, they will get a chance to visit this particular venue. And I also have a few testimonials from our previous winners. They will be on the screen right now.
The exhibition was really nicely arranged. There were many interesting projects and models which were quite informative.
The exhibitors, being from all around the world, were quite friendly and open to various kinds of questions. The IIT Bombay campus was also really impressive. Overall, it was a really great experience.
So this year's location and this year's rewards are even bigger than last year. Now, as I said, the branch-wise winners will get a chance to visit this exciting venue. But apart from that, we will be also selecting the top 5 winners from all over Real Academy through an online voting process. Okay, so all the winners will get a chance to visit an exciting location. But the top 5 winners, which we will be selecting through an online voting process, will be getting some exciting prizes. So these exciting prizes and this particular venue is a surprise for all our students. Make sure there is a maximum participation from all the students, and make sure you utilize this opportunity, because it adds a lot of value to your entire student life and professional career. Such events, such activities are very important for your personal growth as well. So make sure you do participate. Thank you very much, and happy Diwali in advance.